Every time research becomes successful and gets promoted to mass production, processed foods and milk products are savoured. Petroleum is distilled to its various forms. India is preferred for a combination of technology, value and service. Scientists deliver consistently at every moment of truth. Across the globe, in the labs of most leading MNCs, we know our automatic titrator performs par excellence. The sensors and burette resolution work with precision to deliver accurate results at every run. The imported burette changing with quick auto recognition features facilitates ease of changeover and saves time. Printer and balance connectivity enables user convenience. The software is user-friendly in dialogue mode for ease of operation, and the GLP-compliant reports are comprehensive and systemized. We know that our technical experts and service personnel resolve issues promptly. From manufacturing to maintenance, our smallest endeavor to perfection brings us great results. The Auto Titrator and Karl Fischer Titrator from Labindia complies to USP, EP, ASTM and DIN standards. It's our commitment that makes us one of India's leading manufacturers of analytical instruments